The best quality. Chandox was established in 1983 and is a professional company manufacturing a complete line of chuck products in the Taiwan industry. With more than 30 years of production experience, Chandox is the ODM OEM of several international famous companies, and its products are widely sold in the machine tools industry of Taiwan and all over the world by its own brand, Chandox. Professional manufacture. Chandox has a professional and modern factory, of which space is roomy and clean, and meets high standard requirements. Our production and testing machines are made by internationally well-known manufacturers with world-class manufacturing capability. Chandox commits itself to lean production, and its complete and consistent operation is trustful and reliable. Trained workers of Chandox control the whole production process so as to ensure that grip products of Chandox are high precision. In recent years, we have introduced the ERP management system and made efforts to carry out professional material management and systematically plan, coordinate, and control all processes. Innovative design. Chandox has a rigorous research and development system and has a complete management system for the early strategic development of new products, the procedure control of design, and research and development. Enterprise vision. Chandox is a lean enterprise with a long history and continuous innovation, and has now been widely accepted by customers by providing products of the best quality, innovative design, and professional manufacture. Chandox set its offices in mainland China and Thailand, and its products are sold worldwide. In the future, Chandox will continue to uphold the 4 principles of insistence. Insist on the most outstanding human resources. Insist on the most innovative technology. Insist on the most advanced equipment. Insist on the most perfect manufacturing environment. Keeping improving again and again. Chandox's mission is to provide customers with highly reliable and precise chucks.